like this. Drip like this. Gotta have bag, get a drip like this. Gotta have cash, get a gift like this.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Icebox drip my wrist. Walk up in the club and I drip on the beat. You know I'm a P, I might pimp on the beat. Call them money, get the drip like this. Drip like drip, drip like drip. Call them money, get the drip like this. Drip like drip, drip like drip. I've been dripping like this for a while.
What's up, you guys, man? It's your boy Rell to Real, man, back in here with another video. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy man Rell to Real. You already know what it is. So today's video, sorry about that noise, y'all. That's the car on accessory mode, turn off, because I don't like hearing that noise. So today's video is sponsored by Lanmodo. So what Lanmodo is all about, you guys, make sure you click the link in the description, man, because y'all need one of these. This is a night vision safe driving assistance camera, and it's 1080p high resolution full color image, drive safely at night. So if you guys in a sticky situation as far as being stuck up in fog, anything, rain, heavy rain, whatever it is, you guys, this will cover your tail. And that's the thing, you want something to cover your tail, because I know it's plenty nights, it's plenty times where I really can't see not too much. Especially this is going to be good for the guys that actually do the tint on their front windshield. So let me let you guys know right now, if you got 5% tint on your windshield, it's not going to be too hard, but it's going to be real hard to see up out that windshield, but not with this right here. So they've made it to where it can see through anything. It can make whatever light that's coming in, it can make it more natural on this than your natural eye, and then your windshield, then the natural light that's coming in. So it's actually going to be lighter than everything, and whatever light that points up against it that's way much brighter than it, it actually start getting more brighter and actually absorbing the light coming in, give you guys a better picture out. So this camera is crazy, guys, man. This sits right on your dash, and I'm so excited about doing this video, y'all. I ain't gonna make it, because I always see those Mercedeses and all these new modern age BMWs, all this type stuff that has this on it, but it's not this. I just like it that the screen is on it and I can sit it right here on my dash. That's the thing about it. When I see all those cars, they have it, but they don't have that camera that's on this. But the thing is, this one do. So y'all make sure y'all hit that link in that description. And now we finna get off into the video of hooking this thing up, and we're gonna see what it do. And it is gonna be getting dark soon, but not soon enough. I waited till a late time to film this video. I waited a late time for a reason, so it can be dark and I can finish up the video and show you guys at nighttime, because it's not good to kind of give you a video for night vision and how clear a camera gonna be at nighttime if I'm showing you in the daytime. So let's get this thing hooked up and let's get it started. As y'all see, we got it right here. We're right here up in the 2019 Scat Pack Charger. If y'all didn't know, Scat Pack Plus to be exact. So let me get this thing unboxed and open it up, and then I'm gonna get right back with y'all and show y'all what's up inside of it. Okay, y'all, so I got it open, and we got the manual right here, the instruction manual. Who needs that? Nobody. And we got the little bottom part. This is actually what it sits on, so this pad got to come up out of here, and we're gonna get that up out of there, push that to the side, and you got the actual camera itself. Oh, come on up out of here now. Yeah, so you got the extra camera itself. Let me pull this thing up out of here. Oh wee buddy, that thing looking good right there. Look at that. There go the camera right there behind it. And this thing, you can adjust it. Yeah, you can push it up, you can push it down, the camera. So, you know, so you guys can know what it is. And on top, you got the power button. You got the menu options, up and down, a lot of different things, you guys. So, ooh, bam! Come on off there. Ooh, that thing looking good. Okay, so we got that out. Now here's all the assembly part stuff. This is all for your assembly. They got a bunch of things in here, and you guys can't order these from me here, and we do install these. We will install them for you and everything. So anytime you guys want them, y'all can hit me up, DM me, I can get you some. You can pay for them here, or you can click the link below and we'll install it for you. So let me get this up out of here. And then it comes with everything for it. See, this is a little piece. I guess this for either sticking on the dash or whatever. You can stick it on the dash. You can do whatever you want with it. Stick it up there like that, like so. You know, y'all know how it go, man. Be creative. So this is what it come with. It come with a screwdriver. Ooh, most of y'all don't even have a screwdriver, so this will come in perfect for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it, and then we're gonna hook it up, and we're gonna see how it looks and how it feels, how it runs, all this type of stuff. Blah 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 blah. I'm just playing. We're not doing none of that. We're gonna hook it up and we're gonna see what's going on with it. Peace. So it has 3 cords that comes with it. This is for the cigarette lighter. Y'all gotta run that perfect. This is the wire that connects. This is the adapter wire that connects to the video from the screen to the cigarette lighter thing. And they have a piece for the backup camera. So if you guys want the one with the backup camera, you can order that one also. So today we're not going to be hooking up the backup camera because I don't have the one with the backup camera. But if you want the one with the backup camera, you can also get it also, or you can just come up here and we'll order everything for you. So let me hook this up to this, get it up there, and we're gonna see what that picture looking like. And it's in 1080p, you guys, 1080p, so you know it's some good quality. So you guys, try to show you this, plugs right into here on the adapter. Bam, you'll see it fit right forward. So these other ones are just to hook up the cigarette lighter thing, or if you want to add the backup camera into this one. So you guys, there it is right there. I know you guys hear that beeping noise. Don't pay it no attention. Actually, let me cut it off. Okay, so I got it right there. Y'all know it can be ran so many different type of ways. See, I got it way at the front, but as you guys can see, let that thing come back on right there. Bam. So, you know, it's showing crystal clear right there. And y'all, I got 10 on my front windshield. You see how dark it look on this from this? So it's real good, and it's gonna be good and way better at nighttime, especially when it comes to seeing that road. But as you see, you don't see no road. You see them. You see these storage buildings. But I'm gonna show you guys tonight. Let me get that off, because that thing irks my nerve. Well, matter of fact, I didn't even have to have the door open. Sorry, y'all. You know, it just be me. But that's how it actually looks at nighttime, you know, without the ringing in y'all ear. That's not nighttime, you guys, but it is a shadow right there. But on here, it doesn't even show the shadow, as you can see. And you guys, most of you guys' dashes is not built like this. The way my dash is built, I want it at the front. I want it directly at the front. You can't see the hood, you can't see nothing within the camera, but you can see everything that's in front of you. So I didn't run it all the way like I supposed to, and I only did that because I'm trying to get this video out as quick as possible, because I want you guys to go out there and I want you to buy this and test it out on your own, because it's worth it. I can't lie to you, it is worth it. You know, a lot of people always get like stuff sent to them or anything like that, but this is actually a partnership of mine, and I'm gonna be doing business with them. We're gonna be selling them in our store, everything like that. So I want you guys to see what they is and see the quality of it, because it's something good. I've been wanting this for a long time. a very long time, y'all. Y'all just don't understand. I've been wanting this for a long time because I always see the Mercedes and BMW and stuff with the little screens at the top like that, and I just look at that like it's so dope to me. I finally got one. I'm in love with it already, so you guys hit that link in the description and get you one too. So when I see you guys, I'm gonna be seeing you guys when it's dark. Peace. It ain't dark yet, guys, but look at that. Look how clear that is showing. Showing everything in front of me. Everything, literally. That looks so dope. That looks so good up there on that screen, yeah, man. That's crazy. And it don't slide or nothing, y'all. I just hit my car. It didn't move. It didn't go nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. That's crazy.
2 hours later.
As you guys see, you can see so clear. It don't look like I can see nothing, but I know that can. But that's crazy. That's with tint on your front windshield, you guys. So look how good you can see that. You'll be able to see anything in front of you. I hope you guys, the cars and stuff is not disturbing you, but that's crazy. I just want to give you guys the full perspective of the car and everything. But I'm just now turning my lights on too. So don't forget about that, you guys, while you doing this and making this video. Look at it now, y'all. That is crazy. You can see extra clear out of it. That looks so good up there on that dash. Y'all can't even lie. Look at that. God dang. Oh man. Just giving you guys some more footage. As you guys can see, you can see that thing real good. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's way, way brighter than what I'm seeing right now. I can't even lie to y'all, man. It's way, way brighter than what I'm seeing right now. Hey, I'm headed up back to Audio Zone. So I was just bringing you guys this video and letting you guys know that if you want this, if you want it, you better hit that link in the description, because that right there is crazy. And I love that screen being up there. I can't even, man, I can't lie to y'all. I love that screen being up there. It make the car go to a whole different level of luxury. And I can't lie. It just give it that touch that it actually really needs. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was just a quick sponsor video. And if you guys want one, make sure you click that link in the description and go ahead and get yours, because it's well worth it. It's well worth the money. Or you can contact me and I can get them for you, and I can install it for you, whatever. So hit up Audio Zone. We'll get you right. We'll get you done. We'll get you in and out. Or click that link in the description and we'll install it for you. But y'all already know what time it is, man. It's your boy Rell to Rell. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy man Rell to Rell, man. Have hit that like button, that subscribe button, that share button. Go ahead, bust it down, man. No matter here like last year, man. Peace out.
Drip like this, drip like this. Gotta have bag, get a drip like this. Gotta have cash, get a drip like this.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Ice bar drip my wrist. Walk up in the club and I drip on the beat. You know I'm a P, I might pimp on the beat. Call them money, get the drip like this. Drip like drip, drip like drip. Call them money, get the drip like this. Drip like drip, drip like drip. I've been dripping like this for a while.